I've always felt this is extremely unfair, but from the age of about 30, women start to lose muscle mass at the rate of about 3 to 5% per decade. The decline is fairly gradual, but it can speed up in the peri-menopausal and menopausal years. What it means is that without actively working to maintain our muscle mass, we can lose strength and flexibility without even really noticing. This in turn can lead to an increase in frailty, falls, fractures, and eventually, if it gets really bad, can impact our ability to go about our daily lives. Taking creatine is a scientifically proven tool that all women can use to help stave off the natural declines alongside exercising and eating well. Creatine naturally provides an extra power bank of energy to power up performance, muscle strength, and recovery. It is so important to our muscles that we actually store most of it in the muscles themselves. But as these stores start to decline with age, taking a supplement is crucial to keep those muscles saturated and strong.